Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the Windows display language on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, go to Settings. Then go to Time and Language, Language and Region. And now you can change the Windows display language. You can see that I don't have any options other than English United States. So if you don't as well, you can click on Add a Language, then select the language that you want to add. Then click on Next, and now you can set what do you want to install. So I'm gonna install the language pack. You may have more options for different languages. And if you want to set it as your main language, set as my Windows display language, then click on Install. Then you'll need to wait until the language pack installs, and later you'll be prompted to log out and re-log in, and then you'll be able to use that language. So let's wait together. Then click on Sign Out. And now you can re-sign in. You can see that some things haven't changed, so if they haven't, you can just restart your laptop, but it should change after I log in, so let's see. And yes, it's in Russian. You can see that things have changed. And yeah, that's basically it. You can see that settings haven't changed yet, and maybe I actually need to restart. So yeah, I would advise you to restart. So to do it, click here, then click here, and click on Restart. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.